I'm Maretta and I'm from Oslo in Norway. And I'm in the Hata to 200 hours teaching. I've learned so much and it has made me think a lot also and reflect. Meditation and philosophical parts of it, and Vishu is just great, inspirational. And for the yoga, of course, I feel I've improved a lot. Definitely, I'm not here primarily to become a teacher, actually. I'm doing it for myself, for my experience. But you should never say never. I don't know. And I think now that I might teach, actually. I didn't think that before coming here. So it's been very inspirational. And I feel I improved from the first or second day. We were just thrown into it. We had to teach. And I was panicking and I can't do that. And then it kind of went okay. And the second time it went better. And little by little we're building on. So that's very nice. I guess a lot of things. The people and the food and the sun and the monkeys and the beach, of course, and the warm water. And yeah, I guess even the heat. I came from Norway. It was below 10 degrees Celsius. I've been freezing for 2 months. It's been really cold. And just feeling, I love it. It's so nice.